How to stop Bluetooth pairing request notifications on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. Next, scroll down and then tap on notifications and control center over here. Then tap on app notifications. And as you do that, you can just scroll down and search for the settings application over here. So as you can see, the settings application, so tap on it. Now scroll down and here under the notification categories, you can see the option of Bluetooth. So tap on Bluetooth and then here make sure that you toggle on this notification options. As you do that, you will be able to stop the Bluetooth pairing request notification on your Android phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.